Dear students, today we are going to focus a topic which is related to your given syllabus for the jpsc mains examination, and we have chosen it from a paper 4 where it is clearly written Indian polity and constitutions you have to study properly. But I am taking a chapter, the very first chapter, where it has been written the preamble of, it is written there the preamble of Indian constitution, but we are going to focus the what is the philosophy behind it, that is secular, democratic and socialist theory. What is the philosophy behind it? This is a way of this is the main topic of our learning. So just see, everything is given here where I have plotted this topic. Now what is question? The question is, what is the significance of preamble to a constitution? Bring out the philosophy of the Indian polity as enshrined in the preamble of our constitution. This is a question. So in this question, we have to draft our answer as per the need of this question. So you know very well, the preamble of a constitution is a brief introductory statement that outline the fundamental purposes, values and principle upon which the rest of the constitution is built. While not legally binding in itself, okay, not legally binding itself, the preamble serves as a guiding framework. The preamble serves as a guiding framework and sets the tone for the interpretation and application of the constitutional provisions. So before applying my next explanation, it is necessary to give the intro related to this point. So I am telling you this point, this type of sentences. Later you write as an intro, the philosophical key of the constitution refer to the underlying philosophy or ideology that is expressed on or implied within the preamble. It represents the fundamental ideas and inspiration that shape the drafting of the constitution and provides a vision for the society and government it seeks to establish. So after writing this point, it is necessary to come in the main answer of this question. Now see what the answer explained over here. The term preamble refers to the introduction, the same thing I am going to reveal now. The term preamble refers to the introduction of a preface to the constitution. That preamble, the preamble of the Indian constitution is based on the objective resolution. Remember, the preamble of Indian constitution is based on the objective resolution drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru and adopted by the framers of the constitution. Okay, then you write the significance of the preamble lies in its component. The significance of the preamble lies in its component, and it embodies the source of constitution, that is the people of India. This is the main gist of our Indian constitution and the preamble also. The term, now I am going to define line by line about the terminology which is mentioned in preamble. The term sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic in the preamble suggests the nature of the state and the ideals of justice, liberty, fraternity reflect the objectives of the constitution. These are the key words of our preamble, and you shouldn't forget it. Okay, fraternity reflects the objective of the constitution. It also contains, you have necessary to write, it also contains 26 November 1949, okay, 1949 as the date of adoption of the Indian constitution. So these are the basic points you have to write down in examination hall also. Adoption of the Indian constitution. The philosophy of the Indian constitution is reflected in the preamble. Okay, the philosophy, the need of the question is coming Continuously, the philosophy of the Indian Constitution is reflected in the preamble. The independence of the India earned through struggle for independence is sought to be emphasized by the use of the word that is sovereign in the preamble. This is a word which is mentioned over there in preamble, clearly mentioned. Later you write the Gandhian ideals. The Gandhian ideals are aimed to be secured by the incorporation of the word socialist. This word also is mentioned there, socialist word. Okay, so right here the Gandhian ideals are aimed to be secured by the incorporation of the word socialist in the preamble by the which amendment? By the amendment of 42nd amendment. You know very well, 42nd amendment. You must note it and write down in examination hall also. The same amendment inserted in the word secular to reflect the secular nature of Indian society, and the word republic, that is, you have to also give emphasis over this word. The word republic in the preamble indicates that India has an elected head, though indirectly elected. The Indian president is the choice of the people of India. This is the beauty. This is the beauty of our constitution, and it has this concentrated, and everything is concentrated in the preamble also. Now, later you write the values are further strengthened by the word democratic. So these are the key words which are clearly mentioned in Indian constitution and the preamble also. These values are further strengthened by the word democratic in the preamble to emphasize the values of constitution's framer have resorted to the use of concepts like the justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Okay. Likewise, you have to mention and you have to keep your writing justice, fraternity. Justice means terms of social, economic and political to be secured through the provisions of the fundamental rights. So every paragraph must consist of a concrete information behind the theme, behind the need of this question. Okay, this will be the requirement of this question. Later you write the liberty is the guaranteed to the individuals through the provisions of fundamental rights. Okay, liberty is also guaranteed to the individuals through the provisions of fundamental rights which are enforceable in the court of law. So you must remember, this is a main hidden hard fact about our Indian constitution and preamble also. Later you write about, because the total concentration is focused on the preamble, later you write the preamble secures all the citizens equality of states and opportunity in civic, political and economic fields. Then you write the unity and integrity of the nation is sought to be secured by the use of word fraternity in the preamble and by the provisions of fundamental duties and single citizenship in the constitution. So what you are watching, I am trying to elaborate all those words in a very brief and very concrete discipline, so that your examiner can justify you and they can recognize you that you are writing in a proper discipline. Later you write the use of these words in the preamble shows it embodies what you write here. The use of those words in the preamble shows it embodies the basic philosophy and fundamental values of which the constitution is based. After writing this much, it is necessary to write the conclusion also. So as a conclusion, what you write, the preamble is the conclusion or the summary of our lengthiest constitution, clear-cut constitution, lengthiest and clear-cut constitution. If any law or resolutions was passed by under government which was subjected to the judicial review, then the Supreme Court takes the preamble and tallies the law with it. And if the laws was matched with the provisions in preamble, then the law is constitutional and prevails over India. So this is a way you have to mention about this question. If a question comes regarding that, write about the Indian Constitution, its preamble, and what is the philosophy behind it, you are allowed to, and you are, if you express your views like this, the examination can be sure that you can get a very good marks. So this I tried to explain my question as per the need of this question. Okay. So again I will bring a new topic so that you can be comfortable for the coming examination and you can draft your answer in more beautified manner. So very soon I am coming with a new question. Till then, keep watching my channel, and if you like my channel, please like it, subscribe it, and share with your nearest friends. Again I am going to meet very soon. Till then, goodbye.